how to go from this to this in no time. My name is Doranellys, welcome to my channel, and I have a good one for you today. I'm gonna show you how to achieve this beautiful healthy hair with only one tool. So this is my hair after I air dry it and brush it. I do have curly hair, and this is what happens when you brush your curly hair. So I washed it yesterday and I decided to use this magnetic. This is the GHD Duet style, so it's supposed to dry and it's supposed to be like, kind of like a flat iron and a blow dryer at the same time. So it says quickly transform hair from wet to style in no time. So let's see how this is going to attack these and make it shiny and beautiful. So let's get ready. Okay, so here she is. I'm calling it a she. And then it comes with this, I guess this is a travel thing. So when you're done and it's still not cold enough, you can kind of like, you know, put on your luggage or something like that. That's what I'm assuming. That's what I think it is. It might not be. And then it also comes with a booklet of instructions. So I'm gonna be reading this and I'll come back to you. Okay, so reading the instructions, it took me a little bit because they have it in all kinds of languages. They have it in Spanish, yo también hablo español, and English. So this is a safeguard. I was right. And then pretty much it has two modes, the drying mode and then the shine mode. So with the drying mode, you're just pretty much gonna dry your hair and make it all pretty. And then the shine mode is just gonna kind of lock in all the shine and just keep it prettier. So look how pretty she is. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna turn it on. So this is the on button, and then this is the shine free, so we're gonna use this one at the end. And now we wait until it heats up. Then did you hear that? It's like a jet engine, but I like it. Okay, let's do this. Well, before we get started, I use this shampoo and conditioner. It's called Cocoa and Eve, a lighter version, and it's supposed to be super hydrating and moisturizing. So I've been using these for the last couple of weeks, and it's working pretty well. And I'm gonna use this is Miracle Hair Elixir. So I'm gonna put a little bit of these. It almost looks like a little serum. So I'm just gonna do the ends and kind of like a little bit on the top. That's usually where the frizzies get, you know, crazy. Okay, so I section my hair on one side. I kind of like, you know, half, and then I always start at the bottom, even when I curl my hair or when I blow dry it. When I use a blow dryer, or even when I straighten it with a flat iron, which I don't do. I always just, when I have it curly, I use the diffuser, and when I decided to get the hair straight, and then I just use the blow dryer. So I'm gonna get going. And one more thing, you're supposed to, you know, like wash your hair and towel dry it. It's not supposed to be dripping wet. It says so in the instructions. No mechos con, you know, cabello chorreando de agua. So it's just not dripping wet. I towel dry it and I put the little serum stuff. Use whatever leave-in conditioner you have. And now we're really gonna get started. Okay, so I've already finished just drying, kind of like almost 1/3 of my hair. So usually what I do, even when I'm drying the hair with a blow dryer, I kind of just paint this front part so this goes back and it gives me more volume. I don't know if that makes sense. So I am gonna keep drying this. It's kind of like this little part here. I'm gonna keep drying it out, and I found out that it's easier if you use a brush like this, and then you go in with the styler like this. It's off right now because of the noise, but I find out that that just makes it a little faster and gives it a little bit more shape. So I'm gonna keep drying it out, and let's wait. Okay, so what I did is I turned on the shine shot, and the shine shot kind of looks like just kind of like a flat iron. It's making that noise, meaning that it's ready. So I am going to do this side, and then I'm gonna do this side, just kind of like dry it off camera, and then I'll come back. But I'm gonna do the shine shot so y'all can see it. So I'm gonna do one side first. Kind of just grab a bunch of hair, because I still want my hair to have volume. I have curly hair naturally, so even when I dry my hair straight, I want it to have volume. I do have a lot of hair, and as my kids say, it takes 3 to 5 business days for my hair to dry. So I think it just looks pretty. So what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing a chunk of hair, and then at the end I'm kind of like turning it inwards so it has, see, that little shape at the bottom. And I am grabbing the roots, because I have curly hair, if I don't grab the roots, the frizzies, as soon as I open the door, they are going to be like screaming at me. So, with sound effects. So I'm just trying to. So I'm gonna try to. You hear that noise in the background? That is my dog digging. I'm not sure where he's going, but he's digging in the carpet right now. Yeah, he's here. Oh, come here. There he is. Say hi. Okay, okay, let's finish. Closing the door with one foot and keep doing my hair with the other one. Multitasking. So this side is ready. I'm gonna do this one and come back. Okay, so I just finished my hair, and at the end I just did the shine shot. It just pretty much seals in the moisture, and it just makes it super shiny. My hair looks very healthy, and it feels very, very soft. I always forget how long my hair is when I blow dry straight, because I always have it curly, but I really like, and you can achieve all of these in just with one machine right here. And that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like button, it really means a lot, the world to me. And if you want to check out any of the products that I use, I am going to put it down below in the description, so you can go check it out. And that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.